The biggest challenge with men's health is trying to get men to open up and chat about their health, to be proactive about their health, and to seek healthcare professionals' advice when they have a health issue that needs to be dealt with. Pharmacies can help men by being the first port of call for them for advice. It doesn't require an appointment, it's free. We can come in and chat to a pharmacist at any time about any health issues they have, and they can be pointed in the right direction from there to make the lifestyle changes or appointments with other healthcare professionals that they may need. The most common health problem we see in men is probably cardiovascular disease and hypertension, followed maybe by gastroesophageal reflux disease. And thankfully these conditions can be helped by making modifications in men's lifestyles. These conditions can be prevented by eating more healthily, looking to reduce your fat intake, looking for healthy fats as opposed to trans fats or saturated fats, modifying your diet in such a way that you eat more fibre, more heart healthy foods. The second thing men can do is to increase their movement, activity, try to exercise up to 30 minutes a day, 5 days out of 7 in the week. The third thing people can do is reduce their smoking, reduce their alcohol intake, and the fourth thing to try to do is manage your stress. The three things men can do to lead a healthier life would be to eat less, move more, and manage your stress. In terms of supplements, there is no substitute for a good diet, and men should be encouraged to live healthy by eating healthily, and if they need supplementation of any description, they can come to a local life pharmacy and get a tailored advice for their needs. For example, people who have colds and flus may benefit from certain supplements, people who are doing shift work or suffering with tiredness, fatigue, or those who are looking to increase their athletic performances. The other thing that men should consider are fish oils and beneficial vitamin D supplements, because Ireland is somewhere where we don't get enough sunshine, and vitamin D can help with bone formation and general health and mental health. Men should be getting their health checked at least annually, especially if you're over 40. You should try and see your GP at least once a year, have blood tests done, have your blood pressure checked to make sure that you can prevent problems before they arise. The worst thing men can do is leave it too long to get something sorted and wait for a problem to get worse before you see someone about it, or ignore it altogether. So the most important thing to do is to talk to a healthcare professional. You can come to a life pharmacy as your first port of call. We can refer you from there. In a life pharmacy you can have your blood pressure checked, you can have a 24-hour blood pressure monitor fitted if required, you can have your cholesterol checked, you can be screened for diabetes or have your HbA1c tested, you can have your weight checked, your BMI measured, you can have smoking cessation advice, we do sexual transmitted diseases screening, and we also do asthma care services.